Good morning, student. Today I discuss shell commands. Today I discuss shell commands, class 9th, chapter number 5. My dear student, what is the shell command? So shell commands are instruction that instruct the system to do some action. This is the shell command. My dear student, the shell command is mainly related to the user interact. There are two type of user interface. There are two type of. First, CLI. CUI and the CLI, this is the same name, and the second GUI. The CUI full form character user interface, and GUI full form graphical user interface. The shell command is mainly dependent to the character user interface, and this CUI command to the is other name of the CLI. What is the full form of CLI? Command line interface. This is a very interactive and to the very interesting chapter topic. User interface depend to the two type CUI and the GUI, and this shell command is mainly dependent to the command line interface. My dear student, I write a command line interface processes command to a computer program in the form of line of text. Lines of text. Command line process is a computer program. This is the programming in the form of lines of the text. The program which handles the interface is called a command line processor. My dear student, anybody said that CUI, CLI and to the command line processor, this is the same. The main function of this command is mainly related to the any such type of the write to the computer programs. My second topic, how to open my second topic, how to open command line interface. How to open command line interface. There are so many such type of option. I write down. First, go to a start menu. Go to a start menu. And second, enter command prompt. Enter command prompt in search field. First, go to a start menu and there the search field. You write down to the command prompt. Third, go to, this is the first, this is the second. First, go to a start menu and you go to Windows system and go to command prompt. This is the open to the command line interface. The third, I open to the 3-way. First, a start menu, command prompt in the search field. Here you go to start menu, Windows system or to command prompt. Here you go to a start menu and you go to all programs and ASO series and command prompt. So there are 3 ways to open to the command line interface. My dear student, I discuss in what is the command prompt. What is the command prompt? What is the command prompt? Command prompt is a command. Command prompt is a command. Command prompt is a command line interpreter application available in most Windows operating system. Most of these command automates text via a script and batch file. Perform advanced administrative function or solve certain kinds of window. This is the command prompt. Command prompt is also a command line interpreter application, and they have to the available to the every window operating system, and most of the command is mainly related to perform to the advanced administrative functions and any such type of error in the window. So the command prompt is already available. My dear student, there are so many such type of different type of command. Different type of command in use, you have to remember. Different type of command. First, there are so many such type of command. First, suppose CLS command. You use to the CLS command. CLS command means clear the screen. CLS command means clear the. I have not write down to the any such type of command. I write down to the 2 and 3 command. CLS command in use to the clear to the screen. Syntax only for CLS. Second, each command. Each command means the command lines, the directory. The command lines the directory folders content any such type of the command list, any such type of file and folder list available in this shell command. So the use of the each command, they have to the all such type of file and folder is open in front of you. This is the so many such type of command, but I have not discussed main important point I have discussed. So thank you so much.